What's up everyone, this is Khalid Mughal from Dynamic Tech and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix the FPS drop and lag in OBS Studio. This mainly occurs while recording your display and opening and closing file folders or applications. First, let me tell you about the OBS Studio. This is the best video recording application in the world which we use to make videos high quality or low quality to upload YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and wherever you want. So without further ado, let's get started. So here we are on our OBS Studio screen. So from here we have to change some settings. To do this, simply click on settings and you will see a pop-up window appearing. From here, go to output and set this setting as my default. You can set the recording path to wherever you want, set the recording quality to high quality and medium file size, and change the format from MKV or MOV to MP4. This is the best video editing and recording format for the videos. Use the encoder software X264, increases file size and uses low CPU preset. Then click on audio and never change these settings. Click on video and change FPS from 30 to 60. Make sure to change the settings from area to bicubic. And then click on advanced, and from here don't touch these settings, and then click on process priority and change this setting from normal to high, and you can see the results. The videos will be no laggable and there are no FPS drops. Hope you found this helpful, and if you did, appreciate the channel by subscribing and also turn on bell notification for all videos to get notified for my every video. That's all for today guys, thanks for watching.